Hello. Hi, these questions are very important for our life and for our education and for knowledge. It is very important questions. So many times these questions have been asked, have come in the exams. First question is, in dengue fever, what does reduces in our body? What does reduces? Next is the process that produces food and oxygen for us and food for plants. Plants, in the plants, what is the process that produces food and oxygen for us and food for plants? Number of bones in human head. In human head, how many number of bones are? Name the process of blood purification. What we call it. And work of WBC in the blood. And why is blood red? Blood color of the blood is red. Why? So next is gases responsible of global warming. Earth, there is temperature of the earth is increasing. So which gases are responsible for it? Name the some gases. Cause of acid rain. There is acid rain. So what is the cause of acid rain? Name the metabolism in which energy releases. Energy release. So name the metabolism in which energy releases. And number 10, number of chambers in human heart. So these are questions. Please think yourself and their answer I am going to explain. I am giving you some time. Please think yourself. Okay, I am repeating. So answer is, in dengue fever, what does reduces? Practically in dengue fever, platelets of the blood. In our blood there are mainly 4 parts: platelets, WBC and RBC and plasma. So platelets, which are responsible to fight against foreign organs in the body, these are reduced. So immunity system reduces. So in this, answer is platelets. Platelets. Next is the process that produces food and oxygen for us and food for the plants. So this is photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, food that plant also uses, and that food as a fruits we are using, and oxygen also produces. The process is photosynthesis. Next is number of bones in human head. So in human head there are 8 bones. 8 bones. In human head there are 8 bones. Name the process of blood purification. So what is called the blood purification? This is called dialysis. It is dialysis. Dialysis. And work of WBC in the blood. This increases the presence of the WBC. This protect against the disease and increases immunity system. So protect protects against diseases against diseases and increases immunity increases. Why is blood red? Why is blood red? Blood is red due to presence of hemoglobin. Due to presence of hemoglobin, due to presence of hemoglobin, blood is red. Gas is responsible for global warming. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. CFC gas is responsible for the global warming, and this is main gases are carbon dioxide CO2 and methane CH4, and there are many other gases too. These two gases are main. Cause of acid rain. So acid rain is due to cause of nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide SO2. Due to presence of these two gases, acid rain happens. Name the metabolism in which energy is released. So that metabolism is respiration. That is respiration. In respiration, whether we inhale the air, oxygen present in the air combines, means reacts, it dissolves in blood and then it reacts with glucose and produces energy plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is exhaled out and energy that we use. And number of chambers in the human heart, this is 4. There are 4 chambers. There are 4 chambers. जो ये 4 इससे related है. Number of chambers in human heart 4. So these are answers. Please try your best. If any trouble, please inform me. I'll try my best to clear it. Please comment and subscribe it. Okay.